Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Luke. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Hopefully you're all okay on this fine Sunday. Today's date is the 12th of February, and today is the announcement of the winner of the TomTom Go Expert 7-inch. So a couple of weeks ago, I put a video out saying if you wanted to be within a chance of winning this sat-nav, all you need to do is become a member of my channel, and you will be entered within the chance of winning the sat-nav. Today is the day where we are going to be announcing the winner. This is a one-take thing, so there's no trickery or like selecting a winner or like randomly myself. This is randomly on a computer on a wheel. You'll see in a second. But we are giving away not only this TomTom Go Expert 7-inch, we are also giving away a TomTom leather case as well, so you can carry your TomTom in style. So those of you who have watched my content for a while will understand and realise that I am currently a brand ambassador for TomTom, and it's courtesy of TomTom that we are giving away this today. I haven't gone out and bought it. It's literally TomTom that have sent it to me to give away to one of you lucky members. So those of you who don't actually know what the TomTom Go Expert 7-inch is, it's a sat-nav designed for drivers of large vehicles. So, for example, HGV drivers or buses or even van drivers. But it's not specifically only for those road vehicles. It's also for cars as well. I don't think you can use it on a motorbike. Motorbike's got their own. But you can use it on cars, vans, buses, and trucks. There's actually like a menu in the settings where you can specifically select car if you wanted to. But it is aimed at the large vehicles. So, for example, you can enter your height, you can enter your width, your length, your weight, things like that. So it will take you on roads and routes which are designed specifically for your vehicle. It won't take you down weight-limited roads, or it won't take you to a bridge which you're too tall for. So it's definitely 100% recommended. I use the TomTom Go Expert 7-inch myself on a day-to-day basis, and it is an invaluable piece of kit. If mine broke, I would straight away go out and buy another one, or ask TomTom to send me one, one or the other. So yeah, one of my lucky winners are going to be, one of my lucky members are going to be winning one of the sat navs today. I did tell you this is a one-take thing. There is no cuts, there is no nothing. This is a one-take, so there could be mistakes by myself. Right, we're going to switch to my desktop mode now, so you can see exactly what I can see. This is the wheel. As you can see, it's currently in alphabetical order. So Robert Wetch, Scott C, we've got Teddy Poynton, UK David hashtag coming up, there we go. Bailey Griffin, Craig Charlton, Daniel Gibson. So it's all in alphabetical order. I am going to mix up the names. So we're going to do that now. We're going to shuffle them up a few times. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. I think that would do. Right, so we've shuffled them up a little bit. And I think, do you know what? Let's just crack on, shall we? Let's crack on with it now. Before we do crack on with it, because obviously there's I don't know if I've said there's 87 entrants, 87. Only one of you are going to win, so there's 86 of you who are not going to win this. Do not fear. There is a link down in the description down below. If you click the link, it would take you directly to TomTom's website themselves. I need to open up a menu because I can't see whether you can see the sat nav. Yeah, you can. So there's a link down in the description down below. It takes you directly to TomTom's website, and it automatically applies a discount. So if you don't win this sat nav today, don't worry about it. You can click the link down below, go to TomTom's website, get a discount off one, and save yourself some money. However, one of you are going to win this lucky sat nav and the leather carry case as well, right in this hand. Let's go. Let's spin the wheel. We're spinning the wheel, everyone. We're spinning the wheel. I need to open up OBS so I can see what you're seeing. Okay, who's going to win? Who's going to win the TomTom Go Expert 7-inch? Here we go. One take. Who's it going to be? It's not going to be Rhino Truck Spotter. Not going to be Kevin UK or Jace. Dino? No. Or Paul Weaver? Anthony Luck? Huzzy Games? Gerald Jones? Ooh, Ferry Hill Train?
Ferry Hill Train Spotter.
Ferry Hill Train Spotter. There we go. Ferry Hill Train Spotter. You are the lucky winner of the TomTom Go Expert 7-inch and also the leather carry case. There we go. I need to cough 1 sec. I'm doing a lot of talking. I did say it's one take. We're going to switch to the main webcam now so you can see me in a larger screen. That might be a bad thing. But yes, Ferry Hill Train Spotter, congratulations, dude. You are the winner of the TomTom Go Expert 7-inch and the leather carry case as well. Do me a favour, send us in a message on YouTube. I can then send you a message and we can sort out contact details, and you can then privately message me your address so I can send that out to you as soon as possible. Congratulations, Ferry Hill Train Spotter. Those of you who didn't win, like I said, there is a link in the description down below. Feel free to go and click it. You get a discount on TomTom Go Expert 7-inch on the official TomTom website as well. So it's all official, it's all legit, and that'll come directly out to you as well. So yeah, I think that's about it. That's the TomTom Go Expert giveaway winner announced. Congratulations once again to Ferry Hill Train Spotter. There's your namelet. And yeah, commiserations to everyone else. I am going to try and do some more giveaways in the future, so let me know if you want some more giveaways. And yeah, we'll see if we can get some more TomToms sent out to us. Anyway, thank you very much everyone for watching. I do appreciate it. Until next time, drive safe, stay safe. I will see you soon. Congratulations once again to Ferry Hill Train Spotter. Send us a message and we'll get that sent out to you. Thanks for watching everyone. See you later. Bye bye.